Hey everybody, Mike Riddle with New York Barbecue Guys, and I wanted to go over a few things today. I wanted to go over about my knives. You know, these knives are beautiful, and I know you've seen them in my videos. I know you've seen me cutting meat, slicing brisket, faceos, tri-tips, filleting salmon, and everything else. This is actually the knife I used to fillet the salmon. Took the skin right off. All these knives are beautiful, handcrafted. I work directly with the manufacturer in Brazil. Small village, they handcraft everything, and let me tell you, from your opening price point all the way up to like the highly collectible knives, this is the crown jewel. Actually, I don't know if you can see the reflection of this knife, but you hold it in your hand, it's gorgeous. It's full tang, absolutely gorgeous. Hand turned handles, and every single one of them 24 karat gold plated. You know, on these knives, I mean, they're collector's pieces. They're razor sharp. They're built to last. I got to tell you, I had a Memorial Day party, and that's really what kicked off New York Barbecue Guys. You know, but some of these knives are really spectacular. So we have a limited edition series on the website, and then we have your general knives too. So another one of the knives I wanted to show you, it's actually the Cleavers. I mean, I really wanted one of these Cleavers. And man, when I got this thing, let me tell you, this thing is like, you know, it's just beautiful, and you can see yourself in it too. The polish is thin. Ooh, brisket. Just kidding. But definitely check them out. They're awesome pieces. So you want to take a look. You want to see them. Every knife tells a story, and you know what? Everyone in your collection is going to tell a story too. I promise you that. Everything comes in a nice leather sheath. You know, they're handmade, hand-stitched. You can really tell the workmanship, the craftsmanship on these things. We have leather rolls, we have knife rolls and smaller cases too. Everything is custom, everything is customizable, except obviously the knives. But you know what, you want to stick a logo or branding on it? It's what I do for a living. Let me know. We can, you know, special order. Put your company logo on it, or your name, personalization, whatever you're looking to do, we can help you with. Again, there's a link in my bio. You check out the website, subscribe to my newsletter. You know, you'll get a little percentage coupon off anyway for your first order. But they're always going to be different. They're always going to be unique. And if you see one you like, you know, I'm telling you, grab it because they sell. I moved through a decent amount of these knives. And once you get them, and once people buy them, I'm telling you, you're gonna come back for another one. Thank you guys for watching. Share my video, share my website, and help me grow something, because New York Barbecue Guys, you know, we're just a couple good people that are trying to bring some quality stuff to the market. And thank you for watching. You guys have a great day.